Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. My name is Joshua. Welcome to our English lesson. I'm glad you could join us. In today's program, we are going to learn how to use the words this, that, these, and those. This is part 1 of our series on this, that, these, and those. I hope you enjoy watching and learn something new. Let's get started. Here I am. I have a balloon. One balloon. I say, this is a balloon. One balloon. I say, this is a balloon. Two balloons. One, two. I can say, these are balloons. These are balloons. One, two balloons. These are balloons. Three balloons. One, two, three. I can say, these are balloons. Three balloons, four balloons, five balloons, six balloons, seven balloons. These are balloons. One balloon over there. I can say, that is a balloon. That is a balloon. One balloon over there. That is a balloon. Two balloons. One, two. Two balloons over there. I can say, those are balloons. Those are balloons. One, two. Two balloons over there. Those are balloons. One, two, three balloons. Three balloons over there. Those are balloons. Three balloons, four balloons, five balloons, six balloons, seven balloons. Those are balloons. Now you try to say the sentences. Watch this video again to check your answers. Try using this, that, these and those at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.